as a parent of 3 children, when I send my kids out the door in the morning, I want to know that not only are they going to be kept safe, but I want to know that they're going to be cared for.
I always like to think of it as, rather than us trying to have the kid fit into the system, we're challenged with an opportunity to, how can we get the system to fit the kid?
The benefit of rolling out something like WSC is that we're coming at an issue from the perspectives of medical providers, schools, public health folks, and so much more, that we can really look at almost every aspect of an issue and work toward our goals in a more comprehensive way.
From their health, their wellness, their emotional health, helping them deal with trauma, meeting their needs, making sure they're fed, and helping them to reach their fullest potential in all aspects of life. That's what our real purpose should be about. How can we serve kids to their greatest benefit?
It's about the whole child, not just the academic piece, which we can always try to connect them to. We describe it as a win philosophy, so a what I need philosophy, that each child's kind of unique. And so because we have so many programs, there's really something for everybody.
We're really pushing to try and do services for these children and for the community as well. We've been pushing for dental. We have a new grant with Sun Life, so we're going to be getting some healthcare services on our campus. We provide counseling services, sometimes for both the children and the parents. All of our kids eat free breakfast, free lunch, and if they're here in the evening, they get a snack.
Even if it's for a yoga break that has been incorporated in one of my daughter's classes, or a extra morning recess in my son's primary elementary schools, it's just proven that they need to get up and move.
We have so much up here, but let's pull it down and come back to what we need to do. After we have our mindful moments, they're ready to go. They understand that it's time to learn, and it just really sets up the day.
It's not a secret that students that are healthy learn better. So providing nutritious meals at the cafeteria, making sure that they have regular access to physical activity, because we know that a lot of our students don't. Making sure that they do have access to counseling service as necessary. Those are things that have definitely had an impact not only on our academics, but they've had an impact on discipline levels here at the school site.
It was a hard decision to go away from our meetings being all about academics to moving towards social and emotional side of our students. As we moved in that direction, teachers started to see their students writing more, answering questions, and moving towards full sentences. So by putting that piece forward as far as the whole child method, it allowed us to become even stronger in the academic piece.
At any day after school, we have quite a few after-school programs going on. All of these are relevant to what they want to do. I feel like keeps them coming back to school, keeps our attendance high, keeps these kids interested in what's going on at their school, keeps the parents engaged as well.
A lot of the faculty are living healthy, and they are really great examples. And they promote it in their classrooms, so keeping them hydrated, being outside, having the brain breaks. Those kinds of things have really helped kids to stay more focused in their academics.
When you start young and you kind of keep this growing up until their senior year of high school, they have this idea in the back of their head that students need to stay healthy, they need to stay active, they need to go outside. And especially once you're senior and you graduate, you're an adult, your health and wellness is in your hands. So having this idea is super important for young adults who are taking that next step in their life.
Now we're starting to change generations and how they see food, how they see learning, how they see active living in their lives. That's the real measurement of how we're doing, I think.